While you can create great-looking AI images using simple text prompts, it is advisable to implement more advanced approach to generate really professional AI images, using structured JSON prompts for AI image creation, which transforms the process from a potentially ambiguous and inconsistent conversation into a precise and repeatable system. Unlike free-form text, where the AI model might interpret a single word in multiple ways or get lost in a long, meandering description, a JSON prompt explicitly defines and separates every component of the image. By assigning values to specific keywords like subject, style, lighting, and composition, you eliminate ambiguity, ensuring the AI model understands exactly what you want for each element. This structured approach not only guarantees a higher degree of consistency across multiple generations, but also facilitates automation and scalability, allowing developers to create reusable templates that can be easily modified and integrated into workflows for batch image generation. In this tutorial video, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to structure your text prompts from a simple format to more advanced ones. If you want a comprehensive list of such commands and prompts, please leave a message in the comments section such as, "Send me a copy," and I will send you a text file compilation of those structures. Let's start. First, let's ask the question, why use JSON for prompts? Well, most people type long, chaotic text prompts, but that can confuse the AI. JSON gives you a clear, organized structure, so the AI understands each part of your image request precisely. Let's start with a simple and basic format. Subject, what the image is about. Style, the art or visual style. Details, physical features or traits. Environment, where it's happening. Mood, the emotion or atmosphere. An example would be, subject, a cute puppy. Style, cartoon style. Details, fluffy fur and big round eyes. Environment, sitting in a green grassy park. Mood, happy and playful. This gives us a light-hearted cartoon puppy in a park, with fluffy features and a joyful atmosphere. Here is another one. Subject, a majestic lion. Style, oil painting in the style of Van Gogh. Details, the lion has a thick, flowing mane and is roaring. Environment, standing on a sun-drenched savanna. Mood, dramatic and powerful. Notice how even with a few fields, the AI can paint a vivid, stylized scene. Now, we'll move a level up by adding camera and lighting directions. These give you creative control over how the scene is framed and lit, similar to movie making. And here is an explanation of the newly added elements. Lighting describes how light shapes the scene. Examples, soft diffused light, harsh shadows, glowing neon. Camera angle simulates where the camera is placed. Low angle for power. High angle for vulnerability. Over the shoulder for immersion. First person for POV. Composition describes layout and balance. Common terms. Centered. Rule of thirds. Asymmetrical balance. Diagonal framing. Now, let's move into photorealistic territory, where we simulate real-world photography tools. These fields help AI mimic real lenses, focus, and resolution. A lens simulates the type of camera lens. 85 millimeters for portraits, soft background. 35 millimeters for general scenes. Fisheye for distortion. Macro for extreme close-ups. Depth of field controls focus depth. Shallow blurs the background, bokeh effect. Deep keeps everything sharp, e.g. landscapes. Resolution, desired image quality. Options, 2K, 4K, 8K, or Ultra HD. By simulating camera gear, you can now create images that look like they were shot by a real photographer. Please note that some of the setting might get modified by the AI tool actual settings, such as resolution. Even if you set it into 8K, it would use the exact value set in the options and settings. To unleash your creativity, we can add effects, color palettes, and even mention inspirational artists to define artistic direction. Here is a sample. Color palette helps control color harmony. Use specific color sets, example sunset tones, pastel pink and green. Effects, add stylized post-processing effects like motion blur, glow particles, dust, film grain, lens flare. Inspiration, reference known artists or art styles to guide the aesthetics. Great for stylistic control. These elements are ideal for fantasy, sci-fi, fashion, or concept art workflows. At the pro level, it's essential to use negative prompts to eliminate visual issues and guide the AI more precisely. Check this. Negative prompt. A list of things to avoid, such as bad anatomy, extra limbs, low quality, blurry, or incorrect styles, cartoonish. Composition. You can now design scenes like a storyboard artist. Inspiration. Combines multiple influences into a cohesive design. This is the level used for film pre-visualization, AAA game design, or high-end product concept art. Please note that most of the popular AI image generators will accept such prompts. If some of them doesn't, you can still try to type structure prompts, but in more simple formats such as this. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And as mentioned earlier, leave a comment asking for a list of such prompts, and I will reply to you within 24 hours with the list. And if this video gets popular, I will make a follow-up video for such prompts for video generation. See you in the next video.